Now welcome to your beautiful home.
Metro Guide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located in a safe and secure community near Commonwealth Avenue and Fairview, Quezon City. So here's a view of this beautiful and modern home, and join us as we begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from metroguide Realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a beautiful brand new corner house and lot for sale located here in Fairview, Quezon City, Metro Manila. So now we're gonna tour you through this beautiful 5-bedroom home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
Beginning with the property size, it has a spacious lot area of almost 400 square meters and a floor area of approximately 650 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3 carport, a second floor balcony, a relaxing swimming pool, top-notch materials like a 300-pound main door with an electronic security lock. It already comes furnished with furniture and appliances. It already has air conditioning units, a high ceiling in the main living space, a second floor family den, a service area, driver's room, and a maid's room, and all in a safe and secure community near major shopping malls.
Let's go! You are welcomed by these beautiful black granite steps leading to a 3-meter high, solid Narra wood door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're immediately welcomed by this grand open layout leading to your dining space and kitchen and a beautiful living room. The first thing that I noticed when I came in is this beautiful high ceiling with a beautiful light fixtures and cove lighting as well, with large windows letting in a lot of natural light. So this is very spacious such that you can have a large sala set here. And just to let you know, this entire property is already fully furnished. So all of this comes with your purchase of this home. And coming from your living area, we already have here a den which can serve as your first bedroom. And just to let you know, the doors are Tanguile Doors with Camagong accents. Let's take a look. So you have a well-spaced den area which can serve as a home office or as an entertainment room or as an additional bedroom. Coming from your den or first bedroom, we go out now here to your dining space.
Here are 3 perspectives of your well-designed dining and main kitchen area.
Your dining area already comes with beautiful cove lighting and light fixtures and a very unique dining room table, which is actually a single-piece naturally dried table which seats about 10 people. And it took about 3 to 6 months to dry this so that it would last longer. And your dining area naturally flows to a beautiful and well-designed and fully equipped kitchen. So you have this beautiful black granite countertop with a sink. You have an Elba range hood, a La Germania cooktop, a Samsung refrigerator, and even Bloom hinges, which is a top-of-the-line hinge for soft-close cabinets. Okay? And you have access here leading to your utility area and dirty kitchen. But before that, let's take a quick look here to one of the main features of your home, which is a beautiful swimming pool. So you have a single piece window here, which is actually very rare. to construct. So we roll this and welcome to your swimming pool.
The swimming pool area adds a calm and relaxing element to this delightful home.
So you already have this waterfall feature here. This is about 4 to 5 feet deep, and you already have your maid's quarters, driver's quarters, and a shared bathroom over here. And if you join me over here, we have access here leading to your utility area. So in terms of the quality, the black granite countertop extends all the way here, and you have a dirty kitchen area, and you can have your laundry machines over here, your washing machines. Okay? Going back, we have access here leading to your kitchen. So if you have barbecues, you can easily go and access. Okay? And from here, we have a powder room. Let's now take a look at the second level of this home, where we have your master bedroom and 3 more bedrooms. Welcome to the second level of your home, where we are welcomed by a family hallway or den area.
Here's one more view of your spacious second floor living space.
So this is actually very spacious. You can have another living room set over here. On top of that, it gives you a great view of the high ceiling area and main living space in the ground floor. It's a great place for the family to gather. You can even have some exercise machines here if you want to make this a home gym. And all of the 4 bedrooms here in the second floor have access here. Now let's begin by taking a look at your master bedroom. Wow. So the first thing that you notice here is its size. It's a square-shaped room, so you have many ways where you can configure where you want to put your bed, and you can have a king or queen-sized bed over here with plenty of space left over for other furniture. And you already have this beautiful curved LED TV set as well. And on top of that, you have a beautiful and spacious balcony. Let's head back in. So this is Narra wood flooring. And let's now take a look at the master bathroom. So this is beautifully designed with a dual sink. Already comes with a beautiful mirror and a shower enclosure for your toilet as well, and spacious storage space as well. Okay. Let's now take a look at the next bedroom. So our next bedroom is over here. So this is the bedroom, which has its own bathroom as well. So if you take a look in terms of the spacing, this is actually a very spacious room as well. This can already be a master bedroom for other properties. And it already comes with its own TV set as well, and a split type Panasonic aircon. As well as a walk-in closet area and bathroom. So I just rolled up the blind so we could have a lot more natural light. Let's now take a look at the third bedroom over here. So the third and fourth bedrooms that we're going to take a look at, this one and the next one, they have a shared bathroom. But if you take a look, in terms of the size, they really don't save in terms of the size. They really maximize the size of the rooms, and they're not irregularly shaped at all. And they all come with this beautiful curved LED screens, as well as their own storage space. Okay. Let's now take a look at the fourth bedroom. This fourth bedroom was actually set up to look like an additional den or entertainment area. So you might be surprised as to the setup. So instead of having a bed, what was put here is a living room set. And you also have a much larger TV here as well. But it already comes with its own split type aircon. But it's up to you. Feel free to convert this into a bedroom if you would like. And the third and fourth bedrooms here in the second floor come with their own shared bathroom. Okay, so that ends our quick tour of this beautiful home. We hope you enjoyed this quick property tour video of this beautiful 5-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located here in Fairview, Quezon City, Metro Manila. If you want to visit this property in person or know more about it, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new, elegant, modern, and furnished corner house and lot for sale in Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.